and Buddy's big day out. This is Ben. Ben is 6 years old. He loves puppies. And this is Buddy. Buddy is a puppy. He is very small and very playful. Ben and Buddy are best friends. One sunny Saturday morning, Ben wakes up feeling excited. Today is Adventure Day. "Let's go on an adventure, Buddy," he says. Buddy wags his tail. "Woof," he says. Ben puts a sandwich and an apple in his backpack. He puts some puppy treats for Buddy, too. "Okay, we are ready," says Ben. Ben and Buddy walk out of the house. The sun is bright and warm. They cross the street carefully. Look left, look right. Good. They arrive at the park. There are many trees and green grass. Yippee! Ben and Buddy run and run on the soft green grass. They laugh and bark with joy. Ben throws a bright yellow ball. Buddy runs fast to fetch it. "Good boy, Buddy." Ben pats Buddy's head. Buddy looks very proud. They see an ice cream truck. "Oh, yummy," says Ben. Ben buys a strawberry ice cream cone. Cold and sweet." Ben shares a tiny little bite with Buddy. Buddy licks it and wags his tail fast. He loves it. The sun starts to go down. The sky turns warm colors. Ben and Buddy are starting to feel a little bit tired. They walk back to their house. Now they are in their warm bed. "That was a good adventure, Buddy," whispers Ben. Buddy gives a sleepy little woof. Soon, they are both fast asleep, dreaming of their next big day out.